In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up a Discord server. So if you want to learn how to create your server, add channels, adjust basic settings, and just get it ready for friends, a community, or even gaming, then make sure to watch this full guide so you don't miss any important steps. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Discord and tech tutorials. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to Discord. So you can do this on the app or the web-based version of Discord. I'll be using the web-based version, but the steps are the same. Now, once you're logged in, if you come over to the left-hand side to your server list, you're going to see this button here to add a server. Give that a click. What that's going to do is open a window like this. And from here, you can see you've got some templates, but what I'm going to do is just click create my own to set up my own Discord server. So it's going to ask for more information about your server, whether it's for a club or community or for yourself and friends. You can do this if you want, or you can just come and click skip this question for now. On the next screen, you'll be able to customize your server by giving your server a picture and a server name. So what I've done, I've just added my channel logo, and I'm just going to call this one Tech Tutor server. Once that's done, come and click on to create down at the bottom. And once you've done that, your server's going to be set up good to go. So you can see the servers here on the left hand side. And from here, you can invite friends to your server. You're going to see this when you initially set up your server. So you just want to click the link here, and you're going to get a window like this where you can send out your invite link. You can also come over to the channel list on the left hand side and click the button to create new voice or text channels. And if you come up to the top left hand corner once you're in the server and click onto your server name, you're going to find some more options here. So you can find your server settings, which if you give that a click, you can change your server, like the banner, icon, name, things like that, also a description. And of course, this is where you can come if you want to also invite people to your server or create events, change notifications, and there's a ton of different things you can do from here as well. So that is a quick tutorial on how to set up a Discord server. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.